Next up, Humanitarian Operation for Ground. In this, we need to go ahead and drop off 2 weapons of any kind into the Vondel dead drop, and 4 lethals into a Vondel dead drop, and finally 1 killstreak into a Vondel dead drop. These can be any dead drop on the Vondel map, so this mission is extremely easy, and it's definitely worthwhile doing when it shows up. Now, as for putting guns in the dead drop on Vondel, I'm all the way down here by the zoo, and I've killed a couple of these enemies. So I'll grab their weapons and head across to the zoo dead drop, in my case, which is right about here, and all we need to do is place it by right-clicking it to deposit it in the bin, and just like that, we've now completed one of the 2 dead drop weapons we need to place. I'll grab another one, for example, using my backpack slot, and I'll place it in here. Obviously, you can grab 2 of these at once and deposit them. That's really all you need to worry about. Now, we need to also place 4 lethals and 1 killstreak. So, I currently have 2 lethals on me, but hopefully these AI will be kind enough to give me some more. I'll go ahead and place both of my Semtex in here. There's a grenade here. Oh, perfect. 2 of them. Right. Now that I've placed 2 grenades, we need a killstreak, and I think there was a killstreak in here, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, a precision airstrike. Perfect. So, we'll go ahead and place this last item down, and with that, we should now be done with this mission nice and quick. You don't even need to travel far at all. There we go. Humanitarian Operation is now complete. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.